Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm going to show you how to make BF bar soup. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It came out so beautifully and I want to show you. My camera went off alongside, so I couldn't show the stirring to the end, but you have the full video here. And for the ingredient too, the quantity will come as I add it to. After setting up everything, the light just went off, so instead of hand blender I use wooden spoon. Let's go over the ingredients. I have coconut oil, caustic soda, soda ash, SLS solution, sulfonic. If you have chemical 1 and 2, you use that one. If you don't have chemical 1 and 2, you can substitute sulfonic 2 with chemical 1 and 2. Silicate, perfume, color, soap mold, the bowl to make it. And I also have my hand blender here. As you can see, it's very strong. If you need one of this hand blender, you can contact me. I will buy you some, or I will get you some. Not that I will pay for you. So let's start with the preparation. I will start by pouring in my oil to the bowl. I will leave a little bit of it. I will leave some of the oil and mix my color very well with it so that it does not create any lump. I don't want any lump in the soup, so I will mix the color here first. So this is the white color. I've mixed it, so I will put it aside. So before you start with everything, you have to sanitize everything. I sprayed everything with alcohol before using it. So first I'm going to pour in my perfume and then mix first. Then I will mix my color with the perfume. The reason I'm using the stick is when I was about to start, the light just went off, so I have to put my hand blender down and then use the stick to do it. So after adding my perfume and the color, I will then add my silicate, which is 20 grams. If you have chemical 1 and 2, then you can mix it with the silicate, but I don't have, so I will add the silicate first. So after mixing them, I will then add the sulfonic, 20 grams. After that, I will go ahead and add my soda ash solution. As you add, keep stirring. After stirring, you then add your caustic soda to it. You add it gradually. So keep stirring. At this point, after adding everything, I had a knock on my door and I went to attend to the person. After coming back, I forgot to pause back, play back the video, so I couldn't show the final how the final tasting was. But anyways, everything has been put inside. So after that, I put it in my soap mold. The soap mold is silicone and it's not that tight, so I had to choke it with some things to make it stable. So after drying it for about 7 hours or 8 hours, I then remove the soap from the mold and then cut it into pieces. Thank you all for watching my videos. This will be a start of soap making on this channel. So my next soap will be the key soap type. So just keep watching.